Borrowing money can be very overwhelming, especially for first-time buyers. Question is, where do I start? You're not alone, because the KBZ team is here to help. So don't worry, you have come to the right place. We will make sure to explain every step in the loan process to you, making sure we investigate the best possible loan for you. With thousands of products you can qualify for in your surrounding areas. We promise to work hard for you to buy your dream home. And don't forget, we also offer refinancing, home renovation loans, plus more. So contact us today. The Kathy Barbata team would be happy to answer any mortgage questions you may have on today's real estate market. For more information, visit our website at www.kathybarbataMortgage.com. Also, be sure to follow us on Facebook and our Instagram page for your everyday mortgage news, advice, and financial independence.